It's very important in your core statistics class that you understand how to interpret slope. So stop the video and read number 1. And so what's going on here? First, know what your slope is. Your slope is -5 over 1. Write it as a fraction. Now remember, slope is change in y over change in x. And what does y represent here? Y in this problem is a final exam score. So change in final exam score. And what is x? X is number of absences. So for every absence, A-E-V-E-R-Y, for every absence, you can expect the final exam score to drop 5 points. So, if there's no absences, the score is normally 85. If there's one absence, it goes down to 80, and so forth. Sorry, my writing's sloppy there. Now look at number 2, read it. Here, M is 2.0742, it's positive. And sales is Y, and X is million customers. So for every 1 million customers, of course it could be 2 million or 3 million, for every million customer, you can expect sales to what? Increase or decrease? Increase because it's positive by 2.0742. And I think that was in millions, but it doesn't matter right now. We're just interpreting what the slope means. All right, let's see what we have next. Find the slope. And we're given 2 ordered pairs. So we know that's going to be the difference in the y's. Doesn't matter which order pair you start with. I'm going to start with the second one. 5 minus 3, -8 minus 2. And that's 2 over -10, which is -1/5. Here, M is -2 minus 0 over -1 plus 3. Started with the first order pair. And that's -2 over 2, which is -1. I was given 2 ordered pairs, so we knew to use the formula. In number 3, I'm given an equation, and you need to solve this equation for y and put it in the form y equal mx plus b. That's 3y equals -2x plus 12. That's y equals a -2/3 x plus 4. So your slope is -2/3. Next, slope of the line parallel. Well, find the slope of this line, and that's 3y equals 2x plus 6. I added 2x to both sides. Y equals 2/3 x plus 2. The slope of this line is 2/3. What's the slope of the line parallel? Well, it would also be 2/3 because parallel lines have equal slopes. Slope of the line perpendicular. And I'm given an equation. You need to solve for y. Let's find the slope of this line. That's 3y equals 2x plus 6. It's the same line, or same equation, or same line. 2/3 x plus 2. So how do you find the slope of the line perpendicular? It's the negative reciprocal. Another way to say that, it's going to be the opposite sign, so we know it's going to be negative, and reciprocal means you flip it, -3/2.